Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Polynomials. The given question is find P0, P1 and P2 for the following polynomial. And the given polynomial is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t to the power 2 minus t to the power 3. So guys, let us see how we can find out the values for the given polynomial. Question has given us here this polynomial Pt. Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t to the power 2 minus t to the power 3. This is what the question has given us, and question is asking us to find the values of P1, to find the values of P0, P1 and P2. We need to find out the values for P1, P0, P1 and P2. This type of questions, guys, are very simple and very straightforward. So let us see how we can find out the values of P0, P1 and P2. Let us take the help of this table. And we will be working out for the values of all these three in this table only, so that it would be very easy to show our calculations. Now, first table or first column we are going to show for P0. That means when t is equal to 0, that is P0. When t is equal to 0, so that is P0. Now, when second column, when t is equal to 1, that means we are doing for P1. And third column, when t is equal to 2, that means we will be working out for when p is equal to 2. This is what we are going to work out. Now guys, let us put the values of t as 0 as per the given equation. So the given equation is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t to the power 2 plus minus t to the power 3. Or I can write P0, just replacing the value of t by 0, is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2, 0 to the power 2 minus 0 to the power 2. Or P0 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2, 0 to the power 2 is 0 minus 0 to the power 3 is also 0. Or I can write P0 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 minus 0. Or P0 is equal to 0, or P0 is equal to 2. This is what we got here. Now let us solve in this second column. Second column, when t is equal to 1. So here we have Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t to the power 2 minus t to the power 3. Or I can write when t is equal to 1, that means P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 3. Guys, what I am doing here, I have just replaced the value of t by 1. Or I can write P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1. Why? 1 to the power 2 is 1 minus 1 to the power q is also 1. Or I can write P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Or P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So we got P1 is equal to 4. Similarly, here Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t to the power 2 minus t to the power 3. Or I can write, just putting the value of t as 2, or I can write p2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3. Guys, I believe we are very clear what I am doing here. Just replacing the value of t by 2. Or I can write p2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is what we have. Or I can write p2 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 8. Or I can write p2 is equal to 4. How 4? This plus 8 and this plus 8, it cancels out and we got 4 only. So guys, what we got now, let us just quickly analyze our answers. Now, when the value of t is equal to 0, that means p0. For p0, we are getting p0 is equal to 2. This is what we are getting. For p1, when the value of t is 1, for p1, we are getting p1 is equal to 4. For p2, when the value of t is 2, we are getting p2 is equal to 4. These are our answers. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to replace the values of t by 0, 1 and 2 respectively, and we need to find out our answer. But guys, if you have still any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.